Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back if you're new here. My name is Bailey and we're gonna be cleaning my apartment today. We have to clean the kitchen because it is literally a disaster. I never leave it this dirty. I'm a very clean person, but I purposely left it dirty all week so we could have a nice little cleaning video. Also cleaning my bathroom, my bedroom, and then like the living room. I live in a 1-bedroom apartment, so obviously it's not super big, but I'm a neat freak, so I try to keep it pretty clean. I also have like all of my like Valentine's Day decor up still, so I want to take that down because February is ending and it is March now. These are the roses that I got for Valentine's Day, and as you can see they are clearly dying, but I kind of like dead roses, so I'm going to keep them for the weekend. Starting in the kitchen, obviously I have a full sink of dishes and I really want to clean the inside of my oven and the racks, and this is going to take the longest. It's going to take like 2 hours, so I'm going to start with this first. The top of the stove is just horrendous. I know that the microwave is gross as well, and then over here I just kind of have pillows and blankets everywhere, and then the cat's toys are obviously everywhere. The glassware, this gets so dirty. The mirror isn't that dirty, but I want to take my Valentine's Day decorations down, and then I want to take these decorations down and clean the glass. Luckily, the bedroom isn't that bad. I really just have to vacuum, but I do have some laundry to do, so I'm going to also get that started, and then the bathroom.
Promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause space makes me sad. 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why are you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad.
finally done cleaning. I'm gonna end the video here. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.